A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat with soft little paws. D is for dinosaur with giant jaws. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fire truck racing away. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for hat from a distant land. I is for igloo, icy and white. J is for jelly beans, sweet and bright. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for ladybug spotting the sky. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest in a tall green tree. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for pencil that draws happily. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rocket, zooming around. S is for sun, shining so bold. T is for train with stories untold. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, singing nearby. W is for whale, wide and blue. X is for xylophone, chiming through. Y is for yo-yo,